Good morning. I'd like to call on Senator Williams, call the meeting to order and call on Senator Williams for House Bill 823, Mississippi Electronic Protection Licensing Act. Senator Williams.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. Thank you all for having me here this morning. House Bill number 823 is a companion bill to Senate Bill 2856 that we presented in here a few weeks ago. It is an identical bill to it. I'll be glad to go through the specifics if you'd like, or answer any questions if there are any.
Any questions? Verbatim to the bill we've already passed. Mr. Vice Chairman, can I have a motion?
Title sufficient do pass, Mr. Chairman.
All right, opposed, is title sufficient to pass. All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Are there any opposed? That bill will be reported.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman.
Thank you. Okay, House Bill 155, titled State Health Plan Deletes Prohibition on Covering Hearing Aids. We had legislation in both chambers to allow hearing aids for children up to the age of 21. It was a mandate on the plans, and we didn't take the bill up in the Senate, but the House has done, I think, made a good change to the bill, and it applies to our state health plan only. And this would delete the prohibition on the state health plans providing hearing aid coverage for children up to the age of 21. Also, it came to us as a recommendation from the State Health Plan Management Board to delete the prohibition on actuarial changes to premiums for tobacco users. And that's on section 2 of the bill. Glad to yield any questions. Vice Chairman, have a motion?
Title sufficient do pass, please, Mr. Chairman.
All in favor, please say aye. Strike all. This is strike all.
Title sufficient do pass, strike all.
All in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Are there any opposed? That bill will be reported. House Bill 1187, Senator Boyd, Mississippi Insurance E-Commerce Model Act.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This is a piece of legislation that we have seen already. This is the e-commerce bill, which will allow policyholders to opt in and receive their policy notices by electronic means. We've kind of gone through the bill pretty extensively beforehand. We've made 2 changes on here that I don't think, just made some small clarifications, and we took out the word active on section 6. Just because no one understood really exactly what that meant. So that was a good word to take out. And then on line 160, we made sure that it was an owner or insured, just clarifying who can get access to the policies. So those are the changes on that. I'll be happy to answer any questions. If not, Mr. Chairman, I move title sufficient. I'm sorry.
Question, Senator Horn.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. If you have multiple vehicles on your policy and your children are driving those vehicles and you email them a copy of the policy, is that kosher?
There shouldn't be any problem with that under the language that we have presented. So.
Even though their names may not appear on the policy?
We don't have any prohibitions with you being able to share your policies with your children or anything like that. There's no prohibition language in here in regards to that. So it'd be simply like you took a paper copy and you shared it with them as well. So.
Have a motion, Senator Boyd.
Title sufficient do pass, committee substitute. Strike all.
Okay, you've heard the motion. All in favor, please say aye. Any opposed? Thank you. That bill will be reported. House Bill 821, non-transport emergency medical services, develop a coordinating entity to provide statewide system for. This came to us for our insurance commissioner's office. It's a good bill. The House sent it over to us and had a reverse repealer in it. So in our strike all, we've taken out the reverse repealer. Also, this would allow EMTs and paramedics to practice on fire trucks. The practice is currently limited to ambulances. As you know, many times, and I know in municipalities, I can't speak for rural areas, but municipalities, the fire truck's the first emergency vehicle to end up on a scene. And so they would allow an EMT to begin, go to work on any patient that needs emergency medical services. Any questions on that? Vice Chairman?
Title sufficient do pass, strike all.
Motion title sufficient to strike all. House Bill 821, all in favor, please say aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Vice Chairman, you move the rise and report?
Rise and report, please. Mr. Chairman.